Hi digital marketers, this is Faisal Amin. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will try to show you how can connect your Square app with your Google Tag Manager. So you can see that I am landing on the Square app online. So after completing the registration process, you have to find out this kind of interface. And here you know that in the Square app platform, we have to build up a website, and then we have to connect this website with our specific domain. We can also create the specific domain uh, in the Square app platform, and here you can see that website, but that is the website or appointment, or you can use any kind of um, form, website, and your landing page. Square are providing this option. But now question is, how can you connect your Google Tag Manager with the Square app platform? So I am go to the settings option and find out the tracking tools. You can see that in the left hand side. So I will click on it, and that is the Square app tracking tool interface. And in the tracking tools, you have to use Google Analytics measurement ID on there, and Google verification code to connect your website. Because we have to create the search console, that is the SEO part, so we do not discuss about more. And also Pinterest verification conversion track and pixel ID. You have to connect your pixel ID on the Square app platform, and also the Bing verifications. But our today target is we have to implement the Google Tag with the Square Up with the Google Tag Manager. So we have to scroll down here. You can see that add custom header code from here. So I am using the add new code, and suppose you have to adding the code that is GTM code on it, and here is the custom code. And I am go back to our Google Tag Manager. Here you can see that Google Tag Manager. I am copy the head code from the Google Tag Manager and back to our Square App platform and paste the custom code. That is the head code, and that will be the recommended. So you have to save it. And if you need another code, then you can adding the another. So I am giving the name GTM code. That is the body code. So again, back to our Google Tag Manager and copy the code from here and back to our Square App platform to pasting the body code here. So paste on it and save. Our work is done. Now you have to preview your website, or then you can see that your event will be show on the your Google Tag Assistant. I do not show here because that is my client website. So I hope you can understand how can you implement the Google Tag Manager with the Square App platform. So thanks for watching this video. I will see in the next video with a new topic. Take care. Bye bye.